Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. I'm super excited to unbox this. If you are interested in watching my first impressions on the same exact model, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange, be sure to check the link down below. I did that in first impressions video on my second channel, which is Brittany Bundles. But without further ado, give the video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed, please, and let's get right into it. So this is what the box looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it here. All right, let's do the second one. Okay. And here's what the phone looks like. Looks really good. I am liking how they have like this two-tone thing going on. Like the orange is like a two-tone, and so is the silver. So it's like silver and white kind of. I am still waiting for my case. That should be here later on today. So excited for that. Inside of the box, you get the standard stuff. So you get like the, the charging cable. You get the, I guess the manual or the instructions, and then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this part. And there we have it. So here's the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. Like I said, if you want to see the orange first impressions video, be sure to check out the link down below. I did that on my second channel at Brittany's Place. Subscribe there if you're not already. I am going to be doing like a side-by-side comparison video, just showing you what both phones look like side by side. And then I may also do like a case video or what's on my phone video. Just leave a comment down below as to what you want to see. But I am super pleased with this phone. A lot of people don't like how the design is this time, and I like it. I think it's cute. I think it looks pretty similar to the other phones. Where's another phone that I can... I have to send some of my phones back. So here's the box for my orange phone. And I'm going to be sending back, I think this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So just looking at these phones side by side, they do look different, but I don't know, not too different to me. I mean, I guess, yeah. But they're still very similar in my opinion. What do you all think? 16 Pro Max versus 17 Pro Max. I like the two-tone. I like the look of the camera. I just like the style of this time. I like that. It even feels a little bit heavier. I didn't check to see if it did weigh more or not, but I'm liking it. So let me know your thoughts down below. That is the unboxing for this phone. And also let me know which color, if I didn't say this already, which color you like, which color you would have gotten, or what color you are planning on getting. I do want to thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.